Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record personal expenses and owner draws in QuickBooks Online. Keeping these transactions properly categorized is essential for accurate bookkeeping and helps you maintain a clear separation between business and personal finances. Let's walk through both processes step by step. First, let's tackle recording a personal expense. Start by clicking on the plus new button located in the left navigation menu of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This opens up a menu with various transaction options. From here, you'll want to click on Expense under the Vendors section. This is where you'll log any expense that was paid from your business account but was actually for personal use. Once the expense form opens, you'll see a Payee field at the top. Select the person or vendor related to this expense from the drop-down menu. Next, look for the Payment Account drop-down and choose the business account that was used to pay for this personal expense. This ensures QuickBooks knows which account to deduct the funds from. Then enter the payment date to reflect when the expense actually occurred and choose your payment method from the options available, whether that's cash, check, or credit card. Now comes an important part. In the category details section, you'll need to select a personal expense category. If you haven't created one yet, you can set up a new category called something like owner's personal expenses to keep these transactions organized and separate from legitimate business expenses. Enter the expense amount in the appropriate field, and if you'd like to add extra context, use the memo field to include a brief description. Once everything looks accurate, click Save and Close to finalize the personal expense entry. Now let's move on to recording an owner draw, which is slightly different. Go back to the plus new button, and this time select Journal Entry from the menu. Journal entries give you more control over how funds are categorized in your equity accounts. On the first line under the Account column, choose your owner's draw equity account. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to create it as an equity type account with the detail type set to owner's equity. This account tracks all the money you've taken out of the business for personal use. In that same first line, enter the amount of the draw as a debit. This increases the owner's draw account, showing money leaving the business. On the second line, select the bank or cash account from which the money was actually withdrawn. Enter the same amount, but this time as a credit. This decreases your bank balance to reflect the funds leaving your business account. Before saving, always verify that your total debits equal your total credits. This ensures your entry is balanced and won't throw off your books. Once confirmed, click Save and Close to record the journal entry. By following these steps, you'll keep your personal expenses and owner draws properly documented in QuickBooks Online, which is crucial for tax reporting and maintaining financial clarity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.